an icy spot right there. It'll take your head right out from under you.
All right.
Excellent. That was wise path.
I feel more comfortable at this run than both my runs at Crystal.
I'm a little bit 50-50 on like the getting over to that. You know what I mean? And that's the only section.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty positive I can like go over there. I just don't know if I can make it that high.
No, I don't think you can make the high one. I think the high one is more of a plan B if people bomb out the main section.
I'm curious to see what people do.
So am I say we go down, but let's not chill too long, even though because it's a nice day out.
It's
so
not cold.
We can go watch. Yeah.
I just want to go to the bathroom and maybe get like snacks.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, grab a drink of water, snack, fix my knee brace.
Yeah, I might get some Advil too.
You have some?
They sell at the store. So where are you staying?
The first, like right when you get out of the mountains, before Bozeman.
Okay.
Something like Airbnb.
Yeah. Sammy apparently, one of his buddies lives up here, and he was like, "Oh yeah, no, I got a spot for you," and it's like an outdoor like.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Airstream kind of deal.
He like tried to get me to do it too. He's like, dude, if you haven't made your reservation yet, he's like, I got a spot. And
Sammy?
And I was like, he was like, oh, you're already booked in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was glad I did it too. It was actually 2 days before I could have canceled it for no charge. And
oh yeah.
I'm glad I didn't, because I was like, you know what? Sammy might have some hookup, but I got no idea what it is.
He's always got some random hookup. We went to his hotel room before we went in the hot tub yesterday, and like it was just his wife there for a minute, so we just like knocked on it because we knew it was his room, and we are like, oh yo, like is Sammy there? And she's like, oh fuck. She's like, it's like me, Henry, Peter, and Tanner. And then Sammy walks in like 10 minutes later, and he's like, God damn it.
He's in a hotel room, not the like.
Yeah, the Huntley.
Oh, okay.
Because he saw the outdoor one, and he was like, fuck this.
It's like 10 degrees, -10.
Yeah. Last night, you dunk your hair in the hot tub, and within a minute it was dead. Like frozen. Like, and I forgot my phone out there, and my hair was still kind of damp, and so I was inside. I ran outside, came back inside, my hair was frozen. Insane. It wasn't even like, it was like -1. It wasn't even that bad. We're getting back to alcohol. This is gonna be like shells on it.
Oh, that would be nice.
It's supposed to snow and then rain in that inch.
Really?
Yeah.
2 feet of snow, inch of rain.
Why? It's like
that's what we've been getting.
It's like 4 or 5 inches.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. I haven't looked in a minute. I think our snow's gonna last to Cinco, no problem.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so iced up underneath. Like it's like literally like glaciated.
We need one more like big storm.
I know. Another 2-footer.
I've gotten like one like kind of pow day this year.
I got a few pow days. Mark like real blower pow days. Mark got like video of all of them, so it feels like I got a whole bunch. But
Yeah, I got one good. I got up there at like 2 at Helping Call, and they just opened snake dance, and so we're the first people in snake dance.
Oh, nice.
And that was nice, but that was like my only power run.
No, I dude, January 1st, I was like out in Ashgate in like thigh deep pow.
Oh, we can't forget to crank my dams.
I got a little screwdriver.
My pole is screwed.
Sure. I got a little buggy.
Yeah.
I didn't notice this one last time. Is that house?
Yeah, no, that's been the biggest one. It is the other one, bro. It's like
I didn't notice that at all.
it's like bigger than a mansion. It's insane. They're
Oh,
both.
like I didn't notice that at all.
Yeah, that's not even part of Yellowstone, I don't think. Look, you think if that's it, and then just keep going. Look at this.
I like the fireplace.
Yeah, they do look pretty sweet. Someone's in there. Burning fire. Isn't that insane? What do you do with that much house? It goes back.
Walk around.
Yeah, literally, you could be like, oh, I'm just gonna take a walk. You can walk in the whole house.
It's better than walking. Yeah, go for Falcon.
Where you guys at?
Me and Talon are riding 6-shooter up, headed to the base to go make a pit stop before coming back.
10-4.
Dude, the Taos team drove here.
They did? You talked to them?
Yeah. The chick drove, like, I think the coaches, some of the coaches drove, I think.
That's ridiculous. How far is that?
It's 8 hours to Denver from Taos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Probably, what, 8 hours from Denver to here?
That's not that bad. That's about as much as from here to Seattle.
Dude, it was so short. It was like 10 hours.
Yeah.
I left from the pass, so I'm like leaving from the pass, like, we got to Zula in like we got to Spokane in like 3 hours, and then 3.5, and then we got to Missoula like, I think it was like 5.5 hours.
I swear, it takes, if we drove, it takes us like another hour, because my dad drives so goddamn slow. It's like ridiculous.
No, we just did like 85 the whole way.
Yeah. Well, we were in, we were driving back from Red. And he got pulled over going 3 over.
What?
Yeah.
No.
He got pulled over going 3 over.
In Canada?
Yeah. No, right after the border.
In Washington?
Yep. It was fucking ridiculous.
I've never even heard of that. 3 over?
My sister got pulled over going the speed limit at night while it was raining.
What?
Because they can technically do that.
Where?
If it's, near UW, I think.
Yeah.
But they're like, they can technically do that
Yeah,
if the conditions aren't right.
But that's like still.
Like,
that's
come on, like,
They were just trying to see if she was like drinking.
yeah, either drinking or they just need a ticket. Actually, I don't think they gave her a ticket.
A lot of times, well, that's what I'm saying. Like that's like they were just maybe she was like swerving just a little bit.
Yeah.
And,
I do be swerving a lot, just like regularly.
You'll stop as you get older.
Well, I mean, it's like that, but then it's also like I'm pretty sure like the steering. Like,
Oh well, you're in that
thing
4Runner.
It's a little. It's a little.
I mean, you
wobbly.
probably didn't swerve in the Audi.
No, not really.
Now that 4Runner is probably a little loose.
It's a little loose. It's like it's loose on the pavement, but it's so nice once you get on like dirt or snow.
My F-150 is like a cruise vessel. This thing's so rock solid. That's twin turbo, so it doesn't lose
It's
engine
twin
power
turbo.
at altitude. This is like a 10-speed
Mine
twin
does.
turbo.
Mine does. Holy
and, it's got,
moly.
and I got 10 gears.
What year is it?
2020. I was like on the way up here. I was in like 8th gear, like 1800 RPMs. Like, dude, at 80 miles an hour, it does 1600 RPMs or 1700 RPMs.
I'm in 5th gear going 75 in like 3500 RPM.
No, it's such a weird engine. It's a 2.7 liter twin turbo V6.
That is really fun.
Right, super long stroke and very little bore. So it's got, I think it's got like basic. I think it's like